Today we are going to discuss the working of latch and flip-flop. So what is a latch? Basically latch means a lock. Lock to store digital information. In digital signals we have the digital inputs as 0 or 1. When the input is high, we give it a number 1. Otherwise, when the input is low, we give it a number 0. So the digital information is either in 0, either it is 0 or 1. So latch is a device which is used to store digital information. So the output with the number which has been stored is shown on the output line and we indicate it by letter Q. So primary output is Q and the complement of the primary output is Q bar. So when Q is 1, Q bar will be 0. Q is 0, Q bar will be 1. So the numbers which are to be stored are given on the input lines, and according to the status of the input line, the latch will store the number in it. So latch is a box. So depending upon the whatsoever is on the input line, that number will be stored in this box, and the number which has been stored in this box will be shown on the lines Q and Q bar. Supposing this is a box and having a glass inside, so whatsoever we will put inside, we can see through the glass window that these are the numbers which are being saved. The numbers are output, primary output is Q and the complement of primary output is Q bar. So it has got two stable states, Q and Q bar. So depending upon the following combinations are possible on the input lines, that is when A is 0 and B is 0, A is 1, B is 0, or either A is 0, B is 1, or both are 1. When both A and B are 0, whatsoever was there in the past will continue to remain as such. So there is no change. There is no change in the primary output. Storage will remain the same whatsoever it was previously stored. जो भी नंबर इसके अंदर previously stored था वो वही रहेगा यदि A भी 0 है और B भी 0 है. Next is जब A 1 हो जाए और B 0 हो जाए तो हम हमारी इसके अंदर लैच में 1 सेव हो जाएगा. Q will be 1 and Q bar will be 0. Similarly, when A is 0 and B is 1, so number 0 will be basically saved in this latch. So Q will be 0 and Q bar will be 1. Here I have shown a table. A is 0 and B is 1, Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. And if both are 1, A and B, this is an invalid state. We don't know what will happen to the output. यदि हम रिपीट कर देते हैं, दोनों यदि A और B दोनों 0 हैं, A 0, B 0, तो जो भी नंबर पहले सेव्ड था वही लैच के अंदर रहेगा. यदि हम नंबर 1 सेव करना चाहते हैं इसके अंदर प्राइमरी आउटपुट में 1 सेव करना चाहते हैं तो A को 1 कर दें और B को 0 कर दें. यदि हम नंबर 0 सेव करना चाहते हैं तो A को 0 कर दें और B को 1 कर दें. So depending upon the input, the output will be stored accordingly. So this is basically a latch. Latch means a lock for storing digital information. Now we shall discuss the types of latch. Let us discuss first type of latch, that's called SR latch. S means set, R means reset. Set, reset latch. So we have taken two NOR gates to construct a SR latch. The output See, each gate has got two inputs. One is the primary inputs S and other is the input R. Set means set, S means set and R means reset. Like we have discussed earlier, A and B. A is S and B is R. So the output of the primary output is fed back, acts as an input to the S gate and S NOR gate, and the output Q bar is fed to the R NOR gate. So these are two NOR gates. NOR gate means complement of OR, A plus B bar or A or B bar. So let us see. Supposing S is 1. S is 1. So the output will be 0. Whatsoever is the other input, say it is 1, either it is either 0 or 1, output will be complement of 1, that is 0. Q bar is 0, so it will come here 0. And R is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. So Q will be 1 and Q bar will be 0. So putting S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, we will get primary output Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. Similarly, if S is 0 and R is 1, the reset is high, the output will go to get reset and it will become 0. If the set input is high, the output will be set to 1. If reset is high, the output will be reset to 0. If both are 0, whatsoever was the previous condition, it will remain as same. यदि दोनों 0 0 हो जाते हैं, SB और RB, तो जो भी कंडीशन थी पहले, इससे पहले, वो वहीं की वहीं रहेगी, no change. And if S is 1 and R is 1, it is an invalid state. It is an invalid state. हम प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते, हम बता नहीं सकते कि आउटपुट क्या होगी. कुछ भी हो सकती है, जिसका कुछ भी हमें मालूम नहीं कि आउटपुट क्या हो सकती है. सो फर्स्ट इज SR लैच. ये जो SR लैच है, ये कंस्ट्रक्ट की गई है बाय यूजिंग टू NOR गेट्स. ए गेट की जो आउटपुट है वो उसको पहले वाले की इनपुट और जो दूसरे वाले की आउटपुट है वो पहले की इनपुट और जो पहले की आउटपुट है वो दूसरे की इनपुट. तो दो इनपुट्स होती हैं, एक S और एक R. दूसरी इनपुट्स जो है हर एक NOR गेट की, वो हमने आउटपुट से लिए. सो व्हेन S इज 1, सेट को 1 कर दिया तो आउटपुट 1 हो गई. जब सेट को 0 कर दिया तो आउटपुट 0 हो गई. Set is 1, output is 1. Reset is 1, output is 0. So when we want to reset the stored information, set this R equal to 1. जब हम सेट करना चाहते हैं 1, तो put S is equal to 1. Let us discuss SR latch active low. जो पहले हमने किया है वो है SR latch active high. This is SR latch active low. The basic difference between SR latch active high and SR latch active low is that in active high we were using NOR gates and in active low we are using two NAND gates. Why it is saying active low? Because whatsoever we are giving the input, its complement enters the NAND gate. We are using two NOT gates before the basic inputs S and R. So let us discuss the first case when S is 1 and R is 0. So when S is 1, the complement of 1 will be, here it will be 0. Whatsoever is the input, जीरो है तब भी आउटपुट 0 इंटू 0 0 0 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 1, यू विल गेट Q इज इक्वल टू 1. If it is 1, then also 0 into 1 is 0 and 0's complement is 1. So here we will get 1. And R is 0. R is 0, complement of 0 is 1. Both our pins are 1. 1 dot 1. 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0. तो यहां पर क्या मिल जाएगा 0. तो ये यहां 0 आ गया. 0 इंटू 0 0 0 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 1. तो Q 1 हो गया और Q बार 0 हो गया. तो ये है हमारा फर्स्ट केस when S is 1 and R is equal to 0. If we just put S is also 0 and R is equal to 0, it will make no change. So 0 0 no change. When S is 0 and R is 1, when S is 0, now take another case when set is 0 and reset is high. Reset is high, 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0 0 0 यहाँ आ गया. सेकंड पिन में कुछ भी हो तब भी यहाँ पर 1 आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या आ गया 1 आ गया. यहाँ पर हमें मिल गया 1 और यहाँ 0 था, 0 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 1 1 इंटू 1 1 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0. तो Q 0 हो गया. So when set is 1, reset is 0. When set is 0 and reset is 1, the output is reset to 0. When set is 1, output is set to 1. When both are 0, no change. If both are 1, it is invalid state. So this is the basic active low SR latch. दोनों में फर्क यही है कि यहाँ पर हम नैंड गेट्स यूज कर रहे हैं, जबकि पहले वाले नॉर्मल जो SR लैच था उसमें हमने नॉर गेट्स लिए थे. यदि हम नैंड गेट्स यूज करते हैं तो इनपुट देने से पहले हम नॉट गेट लगाएंगे, तब जो है इनपुट उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट जाएगा, लो हो जाएगी, S बार आएगी, तभी इसको एक्टिव लो SR लैच कहते हैं. SR लैच एक्टिव लो में हम एक मॉडिफिकेशन करते हैं एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड अ गेटेड SR लैच, इनेबल्ड SR लैच. इसके साथ एक पिन और अटैच कर देते हैं जिसको कहते हैं इनेबल पिन. यदि इनेबल एक्टिव हाई होगा तभी ये डिवाइस चलेगा. जस्ट लाइक वोटिंग मशीन है. सपोजिंग ये बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर हम जो है वो बैलेट पेपर डाल रहे हैं. यदि इसका बॉक्स का जो इनपुट है इसको हम बंद कर दें तो कोई भी वोट जो है अंदर नहीं जा सकती. इसी तरह यदि इनेबल पिन यदि 1 है तभी जो है तभी ये SR लैच जो है ये वर्क करेगा. इफ द इनेबल पिन इज लो, this latch won't work. If enable pin is high, then only this SR latch will work. How to add another feature to a SR latch active low is by adding a third pin that's called enable pin. When the enable pin will be high, then only this SR latch will work. Now I'll show you what. Instead of using NOT gate, we are using two NAND gates. And we are giving S and reset inputs to each NAND gate. To the second inputs, we are giving the common line that's called the enable line. दोनों की जो एक इनपुट है उसको हमने कॉमन लाइन दे दी enable. Supposing S is 1, enable is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and we will get inverted output 0. S is 0 and this is 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 का उल्टा 1. So means when S is 0, S bar will get. It will do the function of NOT gate, but with the third additional feature that it has got a enable line. जैसे मैंने ब्लॉक डायग्राम बना दिया, जो सिंबल है SR लैच का with the enable line, we have Whenever the enable pin will be high, then only this latch will work. When the enable pin is low, then the latch won't work. यदि हम इसको enable को active low वाला बनाना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पर bubble दिखा देंगे. This is enable active low, but in our case this is active high, so it is without bubble. So this was gated SR latch. The block is this. The symbol or the block diagram of SR latch, gated SR latch is shown here. Gated D latch. We are gradually doing modifications. हमने बेसिक लैच से स्टार्ट किया था, फिर एक्टिव लो पर आ गए. एक्टिव लो के साथ हमने इनेबल लाइन साथ में जोड़ दी. दिस इज गेटेड डी लैच. इट्स हैज गॉट ओनली वन input. We have seen that when both the inputs are high, S and R, S is high, 1 and R is 1, we get an invalid condition. To avoid the invalid condition, what we have done with the same circuit, we have used one NOT gate. So when S is 1, the inversion of 1 is 0. We will get R is equal to 0. When S is 0, we will get here 1. So it is the same gated SR latch with the same that instead of providing two inputs, we have provided only one input along with the enable line. So when D is 1, Q is 1. When D is 0, Q is 0. Q is 0, Q bar is 1. D is 1, Q is 1, Q bar is 0. So this will be the truth table for the D लैच. D लैच में एक ही इनपुट होती है, D इनपुट होती है, और हम इन्वर्ट करके उसको दूसरी R वाली जो इनपुट होती थी उसमें D की इनपुट को इन्वर्ट करके दे देते हैं. तो वो जो इनवैलिड कंडीशन थी, ना तो वो 0-0 वाली कंडीशन आएगी, ना वो 1-1 वाली कंडीशन आएगी. तो सिंपली व्हेन D is 1, Q is 1, D is 0, Q is 0. So this was gated D latch. So we started with SR latch, active high, SR latch, active low, gated SR latch, and then we have done D latch.